I wanted to show how I trim a plate. This is the smaller sandwich plate in a dinnerware set, and it's very much like the video I did on rolling a foot on a bowl. A couple different things. First of all, I've replaced the bat in my Amico recessed head with this high density foam, which I use to trim other pots too, and I've also cut this piece of foam to fit snugly down inside the plate. That gives it support from the inside so that when I press down during the trimming process I don't depress the center of the plate too much. Okay, so I've got the plate centered and I'm going to place this can lid on the bottom of the plate so I don't press too much in one spot on the bottom of the plate. And again, with these, the bottom is thrown to the thickness I want, because I'm not taking any clay out of this area here. I'm not going to cut a foot, I'm going to build a foot. So I'm going to start forcing the clay up from the side with my roller, not holding the roller straight, but holding it up against there, and then dropping the handle down some so it kind of scrubs and also works the clay up easier. So I do push from the side, then push down, because that gives the next push from the side something to push against, so the clay builds itself up faster than if I just kept pushing from the side. So I'm pushing from the side, from the top, from the side, from the top, 2 or 3 times, and then just kind of work that down in a little bit. Do more on that later. And that might be all you want to do. You could stop there if you wanted to. As for me, I'm going to take a little out here and run this down a little bit. Take a little more off with the larger trimming tool. And then the burnishing with the roller again. Find the place where the roller turns easily and then drop the handle. And that does kind of a burnishing effect, smooths things out nicely. And then I want to give one more final push up, kind of flatten it out. And then I want this little line right here where this part meets this part, so that's what I'm doing there. And then this clay is just a little sticky, so I stop the wheel to get that off of there. And then I'll take and finish molding that excess clay down in there. And this clay is a little softer than leather hard, so it's still pretty sticky. And so it's going to work for this process. And a pretty flexible rib. Smooth the bottom out. Little finger burnishing there. And then since this is a set of dishes, I'm going to impress in the bottom of the dish the number or code for the glaze. And I'm going to put in the wet diameter of the plate, and also the size ball I used to throw the plate, and then my own personal mark. And that's pretty much how to trim a plate, except for sticking down a small wad on the bottom so that the bottom does not sag when I glaze these, because I glaze them green. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. I just wanted to show this little wad that I stick on the bottom of the plate. I just kind of scrunch it down dry. It'll pop right off of there easy enough, and then when I put it down, I'll set it down and press that down so that that is about the same height as this, so it keeps the bottom flat. Now on bigger plates, I'll take this off before I fire the pots, but I'll put a little wad of clay in there anyways to keep the bottom from sagging down and touching the kiln shelf in the kiln. Okay, that's it then. Bye.